Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? The process of mixing of atomic orbitals of same energy to produce a set of identical orbitals is called hybridization. That means same energy containing atomic orbitals are combined together to form a set of new identical orbitals. That newly formed identical orbitals we have to name it as hybridization. Types of hybridization. They are Sp, Sp2, Sp3, Sp3d, Sp3d2, Sp3d3 hybridizations. Now we discuss one by one here. Sp hybridization. Definition. This is a type of hybridization involving by mixing of one s orbital and one p orbital, resulting in the formation of two new identical orbitals, is known as sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, each hybrid orbital has 50% s character and 50% p character. These hybrid orbitals are linear in shape with bond angle 180 degrees. Now we discuss the formation of beryllium chloride molecule. In beryllium chloride molecule, central atom is beryllium. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. In the formation of beryllium dichloride molecule, one of the 2s electron of beryllium is excited to 2p orbital. That means the ground state electronic configuration of beryllium is 2s2 according to Box model. In excited state, one of the 2s electron is shifted to px orbital. So, the excited state electronic configuration of beryllium can be written as 2s1 and 2px1, 2py0 and 2pz0. Now, the half-filled s orbital of beryllium and half-filled p orbital of beryllium are combined together to form a set of two new sp hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals are occupied by single electron at an angle of 180 degrees to each other. Now, each chlorine atom has half-filled pz orbital. Each half-filled hybrid orbital of beryllium is overlapped with half-filled p orbital of chlorine to form sigma sp-p bond with bond angle 180 degrees. When we observe here, the 2s orbital of beryllium is reacted with 2px orbital of beryllium and form set of two new sp hybrid orbitals. Now, these sp hybrid orbitals are having single electrons each. Now, these sp hybrid orbitals are reacted with pz orbital of two chlorine atoms, undergo axial overlapping to form sigma sp-p bonds. 2 sigma sp-p bonds. Now, the clear structure of beryllium dichloride can be written as Be, Cl and Cl. This is a linear in shape with bond angle 180 degrees. This is the example for sp hybridized molecule. Now we discuss sp2 hybridization. Definition. The process of mixing of 1s orbital and 2p orbitals of the valency shell of an atom to form three new identical orbitals is called sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, each hybrid orbital has 33.33% of s character and 66.67% of p character. These three hybrid orbitals have trigonal planar in shape with bond angle 120 degrees. Now we discuss the example for sp2 hybridized molecule. Formation of boron trifluoride molecule. In boron trifluoride molecule, the central atom is boron. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1. In the formation of boron trifluoride, one of the 2s electron here is excited to 2p orbital and form half-filled 1 2s orbital and 2 p orbitals. Now, the half-filled 2s orbital and 2p orbitals are overlapped together to form 3 equivalent sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now, each half-filled sp2 hybrid orbitals of boron is overlapped with half-filled p orbital of fluorine to form 3 sigma sp2-p bonds. Now, the shape of boron trifluoride molecule is trigonal planar with bond angle 120 degrees. Look at here. This is the 2s orbital of boron and 2 half-filled px and py orbitals of boron. These 2s orbital and 2px and 2py orbitals of boron atom are combined together to form a set of 3 new sp2 hybrid orbitals. This is the sp2 hybrid orbital. Now, these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are overlapped with 3 fluorine atoms which containing half-filled pz orbital and form boron trifluoride molecule. Here there is sigma sp2-p bonds. 3 sigma sp2-p bonds are formed in boron trifluoride molecule which is having a trigonal planar in shape with bond angle 120 degrees. Now we discuss Sp3 hybridization. The process of mixing of 1s orbital and 3p orbitals of the valency shell of an atom to form 4 new identical orbitals is called Sp3 hybridization. In Sp3 hybridization, each hybrid orbital has 25% of s character and 75% of p character. These 4 Sp3 hybrid orbitals are oriented in space towards the corners of tetrahedron with bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Now we discuss the example for Sp3 hybridized molecule. Formation of methane molecule. In methane molecule, carbon is the central atom. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. When the one of the 2s electron is excited to and goes to pz orbital. Now, in excited state, the carbon has one 2s electron and single 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals. Now, the half-filled 1s orbital and 3 2p orbitals of the carbon are undergo hybridization to form a set of 4 equivalent sp3 hybrid orbitals. Now, each half-filled sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon is overlapped with half-filled s orbital of hydrogen atoms to form 4 sp3-s bonds, sigma bonds. The shape of the methane molecule is tetrahedron with bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. When we observe the structure here, this is the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. These are formed by intermixing of 1s and 3p half-filled orbitals of carbon to form a 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. These 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are combined with 4 s orbitals of hydrogen atoms form 4 sigma sp3-s bonds. After the formation of this structure, the methane is having a tetrahedral in shape with bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is an example for sp3 hybridized molecule. Thank you for watching this video.